Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and I'm back to do a really quick, just a glam look. I was just playing around with some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's Place, from Morphe, and I just wanted to come up with a look that I would do if I was just, trying to spice it up, make myself feel extremely glam. So if you are interested And yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. I am absolutely loving how glam this is and how pretty this hair still is, you guys. I'm still going strong. So I really hope you guys have been enjoying that. I also wanted to share these palettes. Now, these palettes pop up in my videos a lot. As you guys know, I am an advocate for Juvia's Place as well as Morphe. Morphe is like one of those beginner palettes that I've always used since I was younger. So yeah, Juvia's Place and Morphe are my favorite palettes. So if you guys want to see any more looks with these palettes, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But if there's not anything else, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.